2-minute gold mine is a trend-following system based on pullback of the price and the breakout of levels of support and resistance. The strategy has also two filters of momentum value chart and money flow index. Time frame 1 minute. Expiry time 2 minute. Currency pairs, minors and majors. MetaTrader 4 indicators fractals Ichimoku, 9, 26, 52. Resistance and support MTF, current time frame. Money flow index period 2. Rules 2-minute gold mine call 1 price breaks the resistance. 2 money flow index touches 0 level. 3 value chart bullish divergence. If you have all 3 factor take a 2-minute trade. Sell 1 price breaks the support. 2 money flow index touches 100 level. 3 value chart bearish divergence. The 2-minute gold mine strategy for MT4 is more of a trend following system. But you can also use it to take the trade in the key reversal when you truly get used to this. Fractals, Ichimoku, resistance and support MTF and money flow index has been used as the key indicators. When we see such a complex name of indicators, it's very normal for us to get panicked. But this system is well defined and it can provide us powerful ways to take trades at the important levels. People who are strong at analyzing the essential elements of any asset usually do well. Sadly, they mess up the things in the development phase of a trading system. The best part of using this strategy is that it comes with a strategic template. That means, you no longer need to set the parameters of the indicators. A ready-made trading environment will be there so that you can take the trade with managed risk, and this will definitely push yourself to the next stage. Remember, this strategy works best when you take the trade in the major assets only. Stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies tend to create a lousy effect on the short time frame, and for this expert use it only to trade major currencies. Let's say, you have mastered the essential steps to take the trades. It should provide you more than 85% win rate and you will be having the trades with a high RR ratio. Let's see how we can take the trade with the aid of this amazing 2-minute strategy. Gold Miner Forex Trading System. The Gold Miner trading system is based on the Gold Miner indicator. This method works on all currency pairs with a 5-minute or higher time frame. MetaTrader indicators Gold Miner 1, Gold Miner 2, Gold Miner Absolute Entry, Gold Miner Coupling Entry. Gold Miner consists of indicators working together to generate trade signals. By looking at the Gold Miner indicators, there can be accuracy on the signal. Purple arrow plus red equals sell, yellow arrow plus blue equals buy. Exit options at the reversal signal. Trailing stop on the levels pivot or support/resistance. 2-minute gold mine strategy for MT4 long trade setup. There is a reason we call it a 2-minute gold mine strategy. The trade usually hits the TP level in less than 5 minutes and the premium tools enable you to filter the most secured trades. For our long trade, we will be looking at the white cloud. The white cloud is the place where the buying power becomes more prominent and it pushes the asset price up. Usually, the white cloud is backed by the blue zone. The blue zone is the support zone. You should see a small fractal arrow at the bottom of the chart, and this should give you the idea that you have actually looked at the price, which might give you a buying opportunity. But to reinforce the idea, an inside bar or a bullish pin bar can be used to take the trade. The pin bar pattern is known to all, but the inside bar pattern becomes a bit tricky. When the body of the previous candle gets stuck inside the body of the first candle, you have the inside bar pattern in place. Note that setup is called golden when the inside bar pattern is formed with the bullish pin bar. People often get confused with the color of the pin bar as they consider the green pin bar as the buying signal. But any form of pin bar can be a buying signal and it can offer you the perfect opportunity to take the trades. Before you open the long trade, you should be looking at the red signal line at MFI. It should be at the bottom to consider it as a valid buying zone. 2-minute gold mine strategy for MT4 short trade setup. For our short, we will be taking advantage of the green cloud. The green cloud should merge with the red zone. The red zone is the main resistance level for any instrument. Look for the inside bar or the pin bar formation at that level. Upon the identification of the pin bar, you should see a small fractal arrow near the point where the signal is formed. The fractal point tells us to short the asset with confidence. But we have to take confirmation before you short. At the MFI indicator, the red signal line will be at the top showing the price is no longer intending to go up. As soon as you have the ideal setup, you can short the asset with 15 pip stop. But this 15 pip stop works fine when you do the analysis in M5, M15, or the M30 chart. In case you do an analysis in an hourly or daily chart, you have to use the pin bar or the inside bar pattern to find the logical stops. When the red line is used, it becomes tough for the investors to manage the trades, and people usually get frustrated with a wide stop loss. To solve the problem associated with wide stop loss, traders are requested to start using the PA pattern from the start. It might take some time, but it's absolutely fine. Spend a few hours a day for the next 1 month in demo trading the market. Soon you will get the idea of how this system works in the busiest hours. Managing the trades. Those who are thinking the risk to reward ratio or the trade management is not clear needs to read this segment. When the order is taken with 15 pip stop, The trader should be focusing on 30 pips gain at least. But if you start depending